Hey YouTube, welcome to the first video on this channel, How to Become. How to Become is a YouTube channel to help you become whatever you want to become in all walks of life. Are you having difficulty understanding and finding your way in emerging professions like software engineering, AI and machine learning, cybersecurity, blogging and vlogging, or even the well-known traditional, not-so-boring professions like medicine, engineering, law, accounting, nursing, and even babysitting? Sure, you're wondering, I don't need a pep talk to become a babysitter. Even a toddler can babysit. Just kidding. Well, allow me to shock you with some facts. Did you know that some nannies in 2020 earned a whopping sum of $58,000, while others earned pretty low $17,000 in comparison? Well, you see what I mean? So the question is, how do I set myself up for success? And that is why I'm here, to show you the way to become what you want to become and excel while at it. I feed you with tips and tricks that place you way ahead of your peers. I save you time and effort by researching different professions and jobs and provide you with a summary of the steps you need to take to become what you want to become. Soft skill? Check. Hard skill? Check. So take a deep breath, buckle up, and let's take this joy ride to success and greatness. I'll see you in my next series where I will be taking a deep dive into the information technology professions. Lots of great content coming your way, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Remain your wonderful self, come what may. I love you. God loves you more. See you in the next series. Bye for now.